Vegas, and we are here, and we just finished installing last night the SoCal Garage Works vented hood. Looks amazing, and the fitment came out really good. And for anybody that's trying to do anything like this, it's a really simple install. You have 2 bolts on each side for the brackets that hold the hood up, and then you have to replace the latch right here with the provided hardware that comes with it, and then you but you take the 2 bump stops that are off of the old OEM hood and you just adjust it to get the correct fitment. So came out really nice. I can't be any happier with the quality. And right now Walter's helping us with the SoCal Garage Works carbon fiber fenders. So for anybody that is going to be installing something like this, just kind of want to go over the mounting points that we had to remove to go ahead and get it done. So now that the fender's off, you can see where there's 2 one 10 millimeter bolt right here, and there was
that one on the bottom.
There's one more on the bottom right here, right, Walt?
Yeah. Oh, two.
So there's this one right here.
Yeah. So if you want to go on this side, and you'll see that's one, and the fender slides into it and tightens. That's what gives you your adjustment to get the fitment right. And then you also have the one way down here. This one just screws all the way in.
And if you show me right here, Tanner, you'll see where Walter was saying that the bolt that was still showing on the fender right there, you can see this is where it's going to slide in through, and then you tighten it down. So after that, you want to make sure that inside of here, there's a couple of clips on this. There's black piece sits inside of here. There's a couple of clips that you have to pop out with the door open. Once you pop those out, follow the fender liner. There's going to be a clip right here. So the 12, and then there's 2 10s right here that get removed. And after that, pretty much the fender literally kind of like came right out. It wasn't hard to pop out, Walter?
No.
Came right out. So we're going to go ahead and start removing the passenger side, and then we'll get this bad boy thrown on. All right, guys, so right here on the bottom, hidden, there's another 10 millimeter, what would this be called? Like a nut, welded nut with a washer. That's all the way. So this is the first one. The second one is that one right there. So you can see like there's these little notches, so you don't have to like pull out this way. They just slide right out. So pretty badass. Now we have one more 10 millimeter up here that I have to get to. I just have to pull out this plastic to kind of like help me access it a little bit better. And then pretty much it. Oh, I have one more clip. I'm a dummy. So I'm gonna just kind of pull this instead of removing this plastic out of my way.
To put on the carbon fender, after you've removed the original one, the best way to start it off is to start with the top corner. The reason why is this top corner doesn't have any adjustment. So it'll just go straight through here. Now, the bottom, you are gonna have adjustments because they'll be able to slide in and adjust based on what you're trying to do. So you wanna start here, and as you're putting it on, you're going to start back down here to make sure that the fender will conform and go exactly where it needs to go. And after that, you do the 3 bolts that are up at the top. And at the end is when you hit the bottom ones. So I'm just gonna start putting it on and see how it goes.
Pretty much right here, Walter was just making sure that everything was flush and lined up where it needed to be with the car. So they were just making sure there was no gaps, and it was a fairly easy install, pretty straightforward as you guys can see. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. A huge thank you to Henry, to Walter, to Tanner for installing my carbon fiber pieces. And big thank you to Greg at SoCal Garage Works for allowing me to be the test vehicle for the beautiful Carbon. These are really great quality pieces. As you guys can see, everything lined up just how it needed to be. Of course, just like anything with the car, you know, certain things do need adjustments, but it's all part of the game when you want to start modifying your car. So, and next we got a lot of SEMA content coming up, so make sure to stay tuned, guys. We'll catch you in the next one.